Hey guys, it's me Ram the Cuber and welcome to my first impressions video on the GAN 354M. So I pre-ordered this cube and it just came today, so yeah, I'm pretty excited. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so how does this come out? I don't remember seeing this on my 460M. Okay, so this is it. Let's move that off to the side. Open this up. Oh man, the cube looks good. And these are actually GES nuts. And here's the big fat GAN pamphlet. And here's the cube itself. So here's the 354M. Let's get right into it. And how do I open this up? Okay, yeah, here we go. And here's the clear box. Yeah, I'll move that off to the side. And here's the cube at last. Man, I'm so excited. You guys have absolutely no idea. I've been waiting and waiting and it's finally here. Okay, so first of all, I really like the feel of these GAN stickerless shades. And oh my god, these are like so bright. I love the shades and the feeling is also really nice. And it's kind of tiny. So just give me a moment. Let me clear all this before I get into first turns. So I'm back. I haven't turned this yet. I'm really excited. So let's get into first turns in 3, 2, 1. Wow. This is instantly my main for sure. Like, wow. This feels exactly like my 460's outer layers. Oh man, this feels so good. This is definitely my main speed cube. I really like this. There's like nothing wrong with it. I'm not even locking up on this thing. Like, wow. This flows like so well. Yeah, this is really good. I'm really enjoying this. Overall, first impressions on the GAN 354M. Really impressed. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 straight away. I don't even think this needs setup. Like, look at how fast it is. Like, wow, the magnets aren't like that strong. Neither are they weak. Like, they're right in the middle. They're not as strong as like the GTS 3M, which I tried Amir's, but it's not as weak as like my like those Cube Lelo Elite cubes. But overall, I'm really loving this cube, and that's about it for my video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions video on the GAN 354M. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.